Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Merge join in Ssis requires exactly 2 sorted inputs and matching metadata on join keys. You must prepare both data flows before connecting them. Use either order by at the source or a sort transformation to produce sorted outputs for the join. If you use a database source with order by, set the output is sorted property to true and assign sort key position numbers. If you use the sort transformation, it enforces order and updates metadata correctly for the merge join component. Open the merge join editor and first choose the join type: inner, left outer, or full outer. Next, map the join key columns from the 2 sorted inputs with identical data types and compatible metadata. Then pick which output columns you want to include in the final output and rename duplicates as needed. Ensure key fields have matching names or conversions to avoid metadata errors. Finally, connect the 2 sorted outputs into the merge join component inputs in the correct order. Merge join can provide better performance than a lookup for very large datasets when sorting costs are low. Prefer order by at the source to avoid the blocking sort transformation when possible. Remember that merge join is blocking only on its inputs, so minimize memory by producing already sorted streams. If you cannot produce sorted inputs, use a lookup transformation or perform the join in a source SQL query as an alternative. Always test with realistic data volumes to verify performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.